Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Hydrangea Haven bundle, which is part of the Hydrangea Hill suite. So here we have the card. This is a fun fold card because you open it this way and then it opens this way. So it opens both ways. So it's kind of fun, huh? So it's very simple to make. Here on page 18 of the catalog are some samples from the Hydrangea Hill Suite collection. Beautiful samples. And then these are all the items that are part of the suite. We of course have the Hydrangea Haven bundle, the stamp set and the dies. And we've got these extra flower dies, which are so pretty, and a couple of tags and a stitched piece right there, and dies that cut out the flowers as well. We also have this lovely ribbon, this gorgeous grape sheer ribbon. It's beautiful, that's gorgeous. And of course we have the Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper. It is my favorite paper. These are like my favorite colors, purple, green. Oh, I love that purple one. And I just love all of these. And I love the Seaside Spray in there. And that one's gorgeous too. Then we have the pastel pearls that come in all these colors. They're really pretty. And we have this really cool metallic mercury glass designer acetate. So we got two colors, Highland Heather and Rococo Rose, and then on the back it's silver. And then just remember that when you're crafting, you need to peel the little piece off the back, off the silver side. So you just kind of scratch the edge and then you peel this piece off. And then you're ready to use your piece of acetate. So for this card, I started off with a piece of 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 cardstock, a regular card. And I scored it at 4 1/4, which is regular. I apologize, it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. So it's a regular card size. And then I used the layering squares, the largest square, to cut out this little peekaboo window right here, and I centered it at the top. So now I'm going to just have some fun stamping in Gorgeous Grape some of these little flowers. So I'm just going to stamp here, over here. Don't want to stamp near where I'm going to stamp the sentiment, so I might come back and stamp a flower there, but now I'm going to stamp this sentiment, You Make Me Smile. So my 20-year-old embossing buddy is starting to wear down, but it lasted a long time, huh? So we're going to use some Versamark, and we're going to ink this up really well. Stamp You Make Me Smile. And I've got my white embossing powder right here ready to go. Pour that over. Put that right back in. And we'll put all these ink pads aside. Grab our heat tool. Heat this up. Okay, Now that we have that heated up, I think I'm gonna add one more flower down here. Perfect. So now I'm going to create the inside of the card. So first I'm going to stamp the hydrangea. I love hydrangeas. I have 3 or 4 planted around my home. I used to have more before the renovation, but unfortunately they accidentally, to my horror, got thrown away. So I was very sad about that. So I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm only going to ink up the top portion of the hydrangea in Gorgeous Grape. And this stamp is pretty easy to do. And then I'm going to ink up the bottom portion with Mossy Meadow. And then I've got my 2-color flower. And there we go. So now I'm going to stamp this one, which is a distinctive stamp, so it's got that texture in it, over top of my leaves and stem. And I'm going to stamp the other flower one. Oh, I did the wrong color. I'm going to stamp it in Highland Heather, a lighter color. So I'm going to clean this off. There's always a fix. Gotta be careful when I'm using Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape. I accidentally inked my Highland Heather with Gorgeous Grape. So this is a new Highland Heather ink pad. Okay, so I've got my Highland Heather. So I'm gonna use that. There we go. That's gonna look nice. Ooh, that's nice and dark because it's new. All right, so I'm going to cut that out, and voila, I have that cut out already. And I have my other card ready, and this is 5 1/4 by 8 1/4, and this is scored in half, cut in half. And so I'm just going to add this to here. So I'm going to add the card first, so I can know where I'm going to add the flower. So I'm just going to center this right in here. And then I'm going to just place this in here to kind of see where I'd like to put it. I think about there would be good. So now I'm going to grab some dimensionals, mini and regular. So I'm going to do some regular about here. Do another regular one under this leaf. This is kind of a different way of doing dimensionals, but I just want to keep this flower in place. And then I'll do a mini dimensional on this one. And one on this one. And that should be enough. Okay, and now I'm going to stamp thank you inside. So I'm gonna stamp thank you. And this time I'm gonna do Gorgeous Grape. Gotta keep these separate. And so I'm just gonna stamp thank you all the way down here by the stem. And then when you open up the card, it says the world is better because of you. So I'm gonna stamp that inside the card. The world is better because of you. This is a great card to make and give to someone right now, because there are so many people doing wonderful things right now in the world. So there we go. Oh, nope, we got one more step, fun step. So the dies also cut out all these little cute flowers. And so I thought it would be fun to add some of these flowers to the flower, the hydrangea as well. So I cut out a bunch of these with the self-adhesive sheets so that they will stick right on. So I can just peel these bad boys right off, and I can just stick these on wherever I want. And there we have our card. I'm offering a free card kit with this Hydrangea Haven bundle, and it consists of these 3 designs. You'll get supplies for 6 cards. When you place a $30 order on my website using this February hostess code, send me an email letting me know that you would like the Hydrangea Haven card kit, and I will send it out to you for free. And as always, when you purchase the bundle, I will send you this card kit for free. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my Hydrangea Haven cards as well as my other cards, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.